In the world of precision manufacturing, every micron is a test of technology. Zhejiang Pengyin Technology and Development Company Limited. With over 20 years of focus on linear motion precision components, we deliver reliable integrated solutions through continuous innovation and stable quality. Zhejiang Pengyin Technology and Development Company Limited, referred to as PYG, is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Relying on advanced core manufacturing technologies, PYG has long been dedicated to the research and innovation of linear transmission precision components. To meet global manufacturing demands, PYG continuously introduces international advanced precision equipment and expands its production capacity. Today, PYG is capable of mass-producing ultra-high precision linear guides with sliding accuracy of less than 0.003 millimeters, 3 microns. This is not just a number, but a long-term commitment to stability and consistency. Professional expertise is the foundation of precision. PYG is supported by experienced management, senior engineers, and more than 100 highly skilled technicians. With continuous investment in R&D, we safeguard the quality of every linear guide through experience and professionalism, creating greater value for customers, creating opportunities for employees, and creating sustainable wealth for enterprises. This is the philosophy PYG always upholds. We are committed to building an international brand and serving the automation industry, especially the ultra-high precision linear motion field. PYG believes in long-term cooperation with our clients. From pre-sales consultation and solution design to sample testing, mass production, and after-sales support, we offer not just products, but comprehensive and practical solutions. With stable quality and reliable supply, PYG linear guides have been exported worldwide. While ensuring performance, we provide more cost-effective solutions, offering truly greater value to our clients. From the Slopes brand to the upgraded PYG brand in 2022, we continuously raised our quality standards and focused on ultra-high precision linear guide development. Today, PYG is one of the few enterprises capable of mass-producing ultra-high precision linear guides. Continuously creating greater value for customers is our eternal pursuit and driving force. Zhejiang Pengyin Technology and Development Company Limited. We look forward to working with you to create a more precise and efficient future together.